JT Harden here, and I'm here to talk about the new Plano Weekend Series packs. First up, I've got the Sling Pack. This is great. It's adjustable left or right, whichever side you want, but this is great for that angler on the go. It comes with two 3600s, whether you want to fly fish or stream fish or creek fish. It's quick, easy, lightweight, throw it over your shoulder, and you're fishing. A lot of the same features in this are in the new bigger bag. This one comes with two 3700s, but they both have the laser cut MOLLE tool holders on the front. Both have the mesh sides for anything that you want on the sides. They've got a padded back, so they're comfortable. You can wear them all day long and not have to worry about anything. But the new bigger one comes with something that's pretty special, and that is the felt line sunglasses holder. You've got a lot of money in those glasses, so keep them safe. Both of these packs are great for the weekend angler.